In this video, I will show you how to switch Uber Eats bicycle to car. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here first to your account. Now from in here, you can just scroll down and then just click on the earn by driving or delivering. Once you have clicked on that, it will turn you onto a new page and it will also redirect you to a new browser wherein you just need to add your phone number. So for this one, just verify first your phone number. Now, if you want to switch from bicycle to car, you just need to input the necessary information like your car mate as well as your plate number and details such as that. So once you have done that, you should be able to head back to Uber Eats and you should be able to operate as usual using your new automobile. So that's how you switch Uber Eats bicycle to car. Hope you help.